All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online through Fiverr.com. Starting today, you can actually start to get paid for your talent or your skill. If you always wanted to get paid for a talent that you have, then you can on Fiverr.com. So you come up here, you click this join button in the top, you enter your email, click continue, you choose a username. I'm just going to choose a password and click join. Of course, I use my regular email because I use a different email to actually log into my account. So now when you come here, you will see these different categories, and then you'll see subcategories that pop up underneath them. Now, all of these are available on Fiverr as services for people to either pay for or to actually get paid doing. So you'll be a seller. And here we can see, as it says right here, let's see, go back up. It says featured gigs. So these are different gigs, and these are services that people offer here on Fiverr, and they get paid for them. And as you can see right here, it says starting at $700. So it's not, you don't even have to start at making $5. You can start at whatever talent or skill you feel like you have. Like if you feel like you have more, you've owned your craft so much more than the next person or where somebody else is starting at, like then you can put it at a higher price. It might be difficult to initially start out at a higher price and to get sales, but you could try it and see what happens. But I've started at $5 because I feel like that's the beginning of it. And most people will look at you if you're offering your services at a lower price. Then when you get repeat clients, then they will pay a higher price. So these are the different categories they have up here: graphics and design, and then the subcategories: digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio. As you can see, this is where voiceovers is, and that is what I'm doing right now. It's a voiceover. I am a voiceover artist on Fiverr. Programming and tech, business and fun and lifestyle. So when you have your account, this is my account right here, my profile, my dashboard, all these different things. Now, in order to, I can go to my dashboard right here. Let's go to my dashboard. Oh, I have to activate my account. So you go to your email, you activate your account first. And then I will show you another video that talks about creating your gigs, because it's actually a simple process, and you can go to YouTube and find other videos that will show you as well. But this is Fiverr.com, where you can put up your talent, your skill, and make money from it. Sorry about that. I don't have a pop filter on right now, but this is Fiverr.com, where you can get paid for your talent. Check it out.